Hey, Stock Informer fam, let's crank up the excitement. Today, we're diving into a sizzling Yahoo Finance article from July 28, 2025 about the stock market climbing higher, thanks to a massive USU trade deal and big news from Tesla, Nike, and more. We're keeping it super simple, like explaining your favorite video game to a friend. Let's roll. Picture the stock market like a huge playground where stocks are kids swinging to new heights. Right now, the S&P 500, tracked by SPY, is at 637.632, up 0.12%. The Nasdaq, via Keld, is at 124.35, up 0.3%, and the Dow, through DIA, is at 448.7, chilling near flat. These big indexes are like the coolest swings, pushed up by a new trade deal between the US and Europe. Tesla, at 304.556, and Alphabet, at 190.336, are in the mix, with Nike stealing the show. The article says stocks are climbing after the US and EU agreed on a deal setting tariffs extra fees on imported stuff at 15% instead of a scary 30%. President Trump called it the biggest deal ever, and it's got everyone pumped, even if some details are fuzzy. This deal's like a truce that keeps trade smooth, and it's boosting stocks like SPY and Keld. There's also hope for US China talks in Stockholm to extend a tariff break, keeping markets happy. But that's not all this week's wild. Big tech companies like Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, and Apple are dropping earnings reports, like report cards for companies. These can make stocks jump or dip. The Federal Reserve's meeting Tuesday, deciding on interest rates, is a big deal too. They'll probably keep rates at 4.25% to 4.5%, but everyone's watching for hints about a September cut. Plus, a jobs report Friday and inflation data Thursday will shake things up. Now, let's talk movers. Tesla, at 304.556, climbed 1.5% after sealing a $16.5 billion deal with Samsung to make AI chips huge for self-driving cars. Nike jumped 4% after a bank called JP Morgan said it's a winner, raising its price target to $93. US gas companies like Cheniere Energy soared 7-8.8 because the EU's buying $750 billion of US fuel. But not everyone's happy. Health insurers like Centene are struggling as people use insurance more. This market's like a rocket, teaching us how trade deals and earnings move stocks. Want more stock smarts? Check our starter kit in the description. Stock Informer crew, you feeling the market buzz? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for daily stock vibes. Let's keep learning. Peace out.